So now you should be pretty familiar with performing math operations on floating point and integer values. But we ran into a problem last time, and that was when we're dealing with strings, how do we manipulate strings? And we're going to be focusing a bunch of time later on in the semester on advanced string manipulation, but we're going to start with the basics today. So we know that this can't happen, right? So if we say variable A is equal to apple, and variable B is equal to pear, so those are both strings, we can't say variable C is equal to A minus B, right? So you can't subtract two words because that doesn't make any sense. These are sequences of characters, so Python doesn't really know what you want to do, and that is an invalid expression. However, we can do this. We can say variable C is equal to A plus B. That's adding two strings together. So when you add two strings together using the plus operator, what you're basically doing is you're asking Python to concatenate those two strings. So literally what you're asking Python to do is to create a compound word. We're taking those two strings, we're adding them together, we're placing them right after one another, and if we run this program here and we print out the value of C, you'll see here that what we've done is we've created apple pear. We've concatenated those two strings together and we've created a larger string. So the plus operator, when used in conjunction with strings, produces the concatenation effect here. Note that we can't do this though. What if we had this? Well, let's say A, B, and then let's erase these guys here. I'm going to say C is equal to the number 5. We could say answer is equal to A plus B. That's allowed. You can add two strings, but we can't add two strings, an integer value or a floating point value. This is a data type mismatch, and we would actually get an error on this line because if we're concatenating, that's perfectly fine, but we can only add together or can concatenate together strings. We can't add a float or an int into the mix. So this would be an allowable statement right here, A plus B. So that's concatenation of strings. Let's talk about string repetition too. Let's do this. Let's say apple and pear again, and we're going to say new word is equal to A times 3. So you can multiply a string by an integer. When you multiply a string by an integer, what you're basically doing is you're repeating that string that many times. So if we print out new word here, what we're going to get is we should get apple, apple, apple. So we've repeated that string 3 times, and we've basically taken that sequence and just concatenated it 3 times onto the end of itself, and the result will be a string. So that's it for basic string operations. You can concatenate or add two strings together using the plus operator, and you could repeat a string using the multiplication operator, and that's really it. You can't subtract two strings, nor can you divide two strings, but you can add and multiply them using these two techniques.